This is gonna be ugly. Oh, we better. There's gonna be blood.
Oh my God.
It's gonna fall right on him. Oh, now it's all shut off. Now he's gonna come back down. Where's Bob? They're rotten sons of bitches. What?
Ooh.
I told you. He's getting feisty with it. I don't know why it's doing that.
Where is she?
Holding the ladder. He's gonna go full bore now. Oh Christ. When he does that, the chain spins. Like right now, somebody's gonna get hurt. It's not even gonna be funny. Just call 911. I'm not going over there. What the heck's he gonna cut? It's gonna take out his ladder. It's gonna be like Donald Pizzino all over again. I mean, I'm not trying to be funny. It's that you don't mess around with the chainsaw and limbs. Even at camp, I remember that when we were up there. Ooh, he's lucky. Good that he was taking that big one down. Like, you don't know which way it's gonna fall. Watch. He's gonna throw it down again.
Yeah.
No,